Fedora versus Ubuntu versus Linux Mint. Which one should you be using? Hey guys, in this video I'm going to compare Fedora, Ubuntu, and Linux Mint, so you can pick the right Linux distro based on what you're trying to do. Let's start with Fedora. It's known for being cutting edge and loved by developers and pros who want the latest software. It's backed by Red Hat and used a lot for servers or dev work. But it's not the smoothest if you're just starting out. More for people who like experimenting and don't mind a steeper learning curve. Now let's talk about Ubuntu. Ubuntu is one of the most popular Linux distros for good reason. It's stable, user-friendly, and great for both beginners and advanced users. Perfect if you're switching from Windows or Mac OS and want something that just works out of the box. Finally, there's Linux Mint. Mint is even smoother for new users. It feels more like Windows, has great hardware support, and comes with all the codecs and drivers ready to go. If you're looking for something simple and familiar, Mint might be your best bet. So which one is better? If you're into development and want the latest tools, go with Fedora. If you want a solid, all-around distro, try Ubuntu. And if you're completely new to Linux and want something easy, Linux Mint wins. Let me know in the comments which one you use. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. See you next time.